Hello, for Uber?
Yes, hi babe, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good, come on in. How's your day going?
So good, how is your day?
My day's great, yeah, thank you.
Do you have any plans for the day?
Just driving Uber, you know, nothing too exciting.
Really?
Yeah, just trying to make a quick buck.
Yeah. I mean, you wouldn't happen to have any time now to go to a party of some sort.
What do you mean?
Well, I have a few friends of mine who are throwing a party over in Manhattan Beach that I got invited to, and we're actually looking specifically for men to attend this pool party.
Oh yeah, no, I don't really have any friends, so I can invite any guys for you. I'm sorry.
Oh no, that's totally okay. You should come. You should come to the pool party.
You want me to come to the pool party?
Yeah.
You mean like take you to the pool party and drop you off there?
No, you should come to the pool party. We need more masculine energy, and you seem like the perfect fit for it. You seem like a nice guy.
I mean, I'm not really masculine. I mean, I'm a virgin. Like I've never even kissed a girl before, so probably wouldn't work.
That is even better.
Oh, why?
You would just be perfect. We can help you out with that.
Well, you said
we can help you out, and you can lose your virginity tonight.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm not prepared for this. Plus, you said it's a pool party, and I don't even have my bathing suit with me.
You're not gonna have a bathing suit. So
what do you mean? Like, how am I gonna go in the pool?
You're gonna go in naked.
What? What?
What?
No. I'm no girl has ever even seen me naked, so that wouldn't. Are you today? You want this to happen all today?
Come on.
Are you serious?
Deep down, I know you're such a man.
Oh my gosh.
We have to unlock that in you. It sounds like.
I've been fantasizing. You know, actually, my biggest fantasy is a pool. So, you know, I never.
Or the girls?
Well, like both. But I just never thought I'd have that opportunity.
Now you do.
Okay, well, I don't know. I'm so nervous. That's the thing. I don't know if I should do it. Because you know when they say if it's too good to be true, it's probably true. It's probably too good to be true.
We'll make it extra good.
It's
gonna be good. I promise you.
I don't know. I mean,
you can do it.
No, I can't. I honestly, I don't know if I can.
You only live once.
That is true.
And we need you. We seriously need you. We need men. We don't have enough men.
You guys don't have any other guys to do it with?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I could probably try to find some guy for you if you really need help. Somebody more experienced.
So you don't want to go?
I mean, I don't want to disappoint you.
Come on.
Are you sure?
Yes. There is no way you will disappoint. Look at you. You have your glasses and your white shirt. You have it working for you.
I don't know. I mean, what if...
You are the life of the party.
But like, I mean... I'm like so nervous. I think I need my inhaler. I have ADHD.
Where is it?
I don't know.
You have ADHD?
Yeah. So I need my inhaler. I don't.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Why are you driving if you need it?
I don't know. I'm sorry, but I'm just kind of freaking out. I feel like I'm dreaming right now.
Okay, well, just keep driving.
Okay.
So that we can get to the party at least.
Okay.
I'm sure you'll calm down by then.
I'll try.
Maybe we have extra inhalers over there.
Okay. If you have an extra inhaler, then that's the only reason I'm coming.
I think we have like a dish of them.
Yeah. But I'm not losing my virginity today, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not.